is Mariah Queen Arceta. So Mariah came from Mariah Carey. But the Queen though, it's because my dad likes to play cards. Next question. What's something that you've been wanting to try lately? Oh, a lot. I wanna try tennis. What about you?
Me?
Jogging.
Yeah, jogging. Why not?
Kasama ko yung aso ko, si Honey.
Errands or laundry?
Yung productive pa rin.
Yeah, kasi parang ayokong may masayang na araw. Kailangan may gawin talaga ako kahit maglinis, mag-organize ng mga gamit. Hindi ako maglagotok ng paa, like hindi siya naubusan ng tunog. Oo.
So let's say party, but oh wow, what's your party trick? Hey, you know, I have a chicken thinking.
Eto lang?
Hindi ko ma-close, di ba?
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yan.
Oh, so pag nag-hi ako, hello! To trade lives with anyone from Beanie, who would it be and why?
Oh! Ititrade ko yung buhay ko kay Ate Aya na lang.
Kasi katabi mo
Gusto ko
ako.
maging active.
Okay? Sige. Alam ko na sa akin, si Beanie Ling kasi nasa Cebu at naka-chill siya doon.
Chilling.
Beanie Ling, for those who don't know, is our resident cat before when we used to live in Beanie House.
I love it! It's so me! Di ba?
It's so Aubrey. I got Kit in Black.
Oh, that's so you.
Yeah. This is rimless, as you can see, and it is gadget friendly. By that, it means it has